I can. So I'm Sarah Maxfield. I'm SVP of Business Development at Evotec Biologics. So I lead the business development team in Europe, and I also lead the global business development team for Cyprotex, which is the ADME-Tox testing business within the wider Evotec organization. So we were delighted to open our new manufacturing facility in Toulouse in France just a couple of weeks ago on the 20th of September. So what's unique about this facility is that it's completely dedicated to continuous manufacturing. So we do not support fed batch processes from that facility. It is a biologics manufacturing facility capable of supporting both clinical and commercial processes under one roof, and also located on the existing Campus Curie and Evotec campus. So what is unique is that we now have our development and discovery colleagues based alongside on the same campus. So from this particular facility, we'll have cell line development, process development, and clinical and commercial manufacturing capabilities under a single roof. That is quite unique to be able to co-localize both the process development and manufacturing capabilities together in one facility. But it's something that we feel very strongly is important to help with the transfer of programs into manufacturing in a seamless fashion and be able to troubleshoot any manufacturing issues that we may have. So we're delighted to be able to have the space to be able to co-locate our process development and manufacturing colleagues in that single facility. So this facility is a clone of our Redmond facility, which we opened a few years ago, with a little more process development space, as I said, so that we could ensure that we could co-locate manufacturing and process development capabilities in the one facility. It sits alongside the Redmond facility, so we now have 2 J.POD facilities in the network, also supported by a J-Plant facility, which was the original facility in downtown Seattle, which is now primarily focused on clinical manufacturing, while we too have the 2 complementary J.PODs in both geographies, in North America and in Europe, capable of supporting both clinical and commercial biologics manufacture. So the benefits to the client are first of all being able to leverage the technology platform that we've developed in Europe, so we're delighted to be able to offer that capability in this geography. The benefits of leveraging the platform are the potential for significantly reduced cost of goods, enhanced flexibility, and then the reduction in the risk associated with scaling up the process. So because of the nature of the continuous manufacturing platform that Evotec Biologics has developed, it means that the lever of control is in terms of the time spent, the duration of time in the perfusion bioreactor. So there's not the requirement to scale up significantly, so you virtually have a commercial ready process from day one. So that's a huge benefit to our clients to be able to offer that seamless movement from clinical through to commercial in a single facility. So our clients will have a long-term home with us, irrespective of their demand requirement going forward. So at Evotec Biologics, we're trying to forge long-term collaborative partnerships. So of course we can deploy the traditional CDMO model, take or pay models, but really in order to fulfill our mission as an organization, which is to improve patient access, we've got a strong drive to get our technology platform out there, fully utilized in the market. So with that in mind, there's a whole range of business models that we can deploy that would run from take or pay all the way through to dedicated streams of manufacture or dedicated facilities that the Evotec Biologics team run and operate. But equally, we're also open to discussing the opportunity to license the technology platform and supporting our partners in building and operating their own J.POD facility.